In this video, we will learn how to do an hypothesis test with two qualitative variables and paired data. Then we are in this part of the table. The exercise 3 says that compare tobacco consumption at the beginning and the end of the study. In that case, we have two qualitative variables, tobacco and the time. Also, we have paired data because we use the same people in the whole study. If we observe the main table, this table, when we have paired data, we can use McNemar test in order to compare proportions. But we can only use it if we have at least 10 discordant cases. To see how many discordant cases we have to calculate the crosstab. Then we go to SPSS, in Analyze, in Descriptive Statistics, crosstabs. In the rows we have to put tobacco use at the beginning of the study. In the columns we have to put tobacco use at the end of the study. Then in cells we only select the observed values, and also the total percentages. We use the total percentages for the descriptive statistics at the beginning of the results table. We have to select continue, and also we calculate the McNemar test at the same time at the crosstab. Then we select statistics and McNemar here, and finally OK and OK. We observe that first we obtain the crosstab table with the observed number of the people who don't smoke at the beginning of the study and also don't smoke at the end of the study, and the observed number of the people who smoke at the beginning of the study and also smoke at the end of the study. And in this diagonal we can observe the discordant cases. Discordant cases means the person in that example, the people who smoke at the beginning of the study but don't smoke at the end of the study, and also the people who don't smoke at the beginning of the study, but now at the end of the study they are smokers. For this reason, in that case, we can use McNemar test because 40 plus 23 is higher than 10. In that case, we can use McNemar because the sum of the discordant cases are higher than 10. Yes. In the last table, we observe the values for the chi-square test. In that case, McNemar test, and we obtain a p-value. This is the p-value equal to 0.043. In that case, we obtain a p-value smaller than 0.05. For this reason, we have enough evidences to reject the null hypothesis. If we observe in the results table in the exercise 3, we observe the first cell is the observed number of the person who smoke at the beginning of the study. This number, the count of people who smoke at the beginning of the study, and each percentage, and also the count people who smoke at the end of the study and its percentage. The test that we use, McNemar. In that case, we use McNemar because we have at least 10 discordant cases. The p-value, in the case we obtain a p-value smaller than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis, and this is the difference. I obtain the difference from the difference between this percentage, sorry, and also this percentage. If we rest 26.5% minus 27.3%, we obtain minus 0.8%.